Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here at the roastery today to show you how we like to brew our new coffee from Guatemala called La Esperanza. Today what you're going to need is a brewer. Of course, we're going to be using the Origami today. Next we have 18 grams of coffee. This coffee extracts pretty easily, so I grind a little coarser so we don't get any of that harshness on the end. Finally, you'll need a scale, and we have our water here. I have a kettle set at about 98 degrees Celsius, but I have a little trick to that I'll show you in a sec. So to get started, let's pre-wet the filter and get ready to brew. 18 grams of coffee going in. So my first pour, I'm gonna start the timer and pour 50 grams of water. Nice little circles, making sure to saturate everything. I'm also gonna grab a little stir stick. Just make sure everything's nice and saturated. All right, now we can wait till 45 seconds. Let this coffee open up and breathe and get ready for extraction. All right, so I'm actually gonna pull the lid off now, let this water get a little cooler, and then start our second pour. We're gonna bring this up to 150 grams. All right, the final pour is gonna happen at 1 minute and 25 seconds-ish. We're gonna go pour up to 295 grams. Give your brewer a little swirl. And so now the fun part, we're just gonna wait for this all to draw down. It should take about 3 minutes to 3 minutes and 30 seconds.